Top 10 Tips for Hair Care. Long and shiny hair is a dream of every girl. To have and maintain healthy hair, you should take care of them regularly. Let's find out some tips for your hair and scalp. Tip 1. Use chemical-free shampoos. Tip 2. Be extra thorough with rinsing. Tip 3. Don't comb wet hair after a shower. Tip 4. Apply hydrating hair masks or oils once a week. Tip 5. Get your hair trimmed regularly. Tip 6. Protect hair before heat styling. Tip 7. Don't wash your hair every day. Tip 8. Drink more water and eat healthy. Tip 9. Massage your scalp every day. Tip 10. Free yourself from stress and anxiety. Follow these tips and start taking better care of your hair. Thanks for watching, and for your support, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.